This video is a review of Honda Motor's FY 2024 financial results. Honda Motor Co., Ltd., established in 1948, is a leading Japanese multinational conglomerate specializing in automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment. Renowned for its innovation, reliability, and environmental initiatives, Honda produces popular car models like the Civic and Accord, and motorcycles like the Super Cub and Goldwing. Honda has a significant global presence with manufacturing and research facilities worldwide and maintains a strong presence in motorsports, utilizing its racing experience to enhance consumer products. FY 2024 financial results. Honda Motor reported strong financial results for FY 2024, achieving record highs in several key metrics. Sales revenue in FY 2024 increased by 20.8% to 20.4 trillion yen, mainly due to an increase in automobile unit sales and improved model profitability. Operating profit increased by surprisingly 77% to 1,381 billion yen, and the operating margin was improved by 2.2% to 6.8%. Sales revenue, profit before income taxes, and net profit all reached record highs. Although there were some negative effects, such as inflation, the positive effect of pricing that reflects increased product value as well as an increase in the volume of automobile unit sales led to operating profit of 1 trillion yen. Main market, automobile and motorcycle business. In automobile business, although there was a decrease in China, an increase in the United States due to steady demand resulted in overall sales exceeding the results for the same period last year. In motorcycle business, although there was a decrease in Vietnam related to an economic slowdown, an increase in sales in India and Brazil due to steady demand led to overall sales exceeding the same period last year. Sales revenue and operating profit by business segment. Honda Motor operates across several business segments, but the main business segments are automobile and motorcycle. Particularly, Honda is the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer, known for its extensive lineup and global market reach. Besides automobile and motorcycle, other businesses are power products such as generators, lawnmowers, snowblowers, and also Honda Jests and robotics. Honda is expanding its technological expertise into the space sector. In the motorcycle business of FY 2024, sales revenue was 3.2 trillion yen, and operating profit reached a record high of 556 billion yen. In the automobile business, sales revenue was 13.7 trillion yen, and operating profit totaled 560 billion yen. Automobile revenue is much more than motorcycle revenue, but motorcycles' profit margin is much higher than automobiles, and both operating profit amounts are about the same. FY 2025 financial forecast. FY 2025 sales revenue is forecasted to slightly decrease to 20.3 trillion yen. Forecasted operating profit is 1,420 billion yen, and operating profit margin is expected to improve to 7%. Net profit is forecast to be 1 trillion yen, which is 9.7% decreasing from previous year. Furthermore, the full-year exchange rate assumption is 140 yen against the US dollar. Current exchange rate is around 160 yen against the US. Honda's projected exchange rate of 140 yen is conservative, and it could add additional profits if the exchange rate remains the same as now. Shareholder return. The annual dividend for FY 2024 was 68 yen per share, an increase of 28 yen compared to the previous fiscal year. The annual dividend forecast for FY 2025, it is 68 yen per share, the same as FY 2024. In addition, share buybacks was approved at the Board of Directors meeting. The total amount of treasury stock to be acquired will be a maximum of 300 billion yen. Sale of Honda stocks by insurance companies. Japanese insurance companies plan to sell around 500 billion yen in Honda Motor shares. This move aims to reduce their cross-shareholdings, which have been under scrutiny for governance and financial stability reasons. The sale, led by major insurers such as Tokyo Marine and Sompo Holdings, marks a significant step in the broader effort to unwind policy-oriented stock holdings, likely impacting Honda's share value in the stock market. This could impact the stock price when it starts actually selling. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. As of July 5, 2024, the stock price is 1,733 yen, and the US dollar stock price is $32.45 per share as of July 5th. Current PBR is 0.66 and PER is 837. Dividend yield is 3.92%. Compared to the last few years, both PBR, PER are average figures. Dividend yield is about the same compared to Honda's last few years' dividend yield. But 3.92% dividend yield is relatively higher than other Japanese stocks now. Stock price has gone down recently, but it has been rising over the long term. Conclusion. The automobile industry, which heavily exports, is subject to the effects of exchange rates on its performance. Honda projection exchange rate is conservative, and upward revision could be expected. Honda's dividend yield is also high at nearly 4%. Financial condition is good, and continued strong performance is expected.